Hello everybody, this is an outdoor unboxing here on the Lamley channel. It was just too pretty to be inside, and I was looking at what I needed to get done today and decided, you know what, I can do everything outside, and so that is what I am doing. Just a couple of days ago we did the, the US Hot Wheels J case unboxing. Let you guys decide which one to do. So we have the international case left to open, and I was getting ready to do it. I came outside to tell my dear Ms. Lamley that I was going to do that. She's out here doing some work herself. Say hello.
Hey.
And I was like, I want to do it out here too. So that's what we're doing. So you can hear her making a little bit of a ruckus in the background. That's totally fine. And I'm going to open up this case, see what's inside, and then shut it down and enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. So I would usually show you the card that says A&J Toys on it. I don't have it with me, and I don't want to go inside and get it. So you know what it is, andjtoys.com. That's where you can get this case. I think the K case is coming, so I'll be doing that unboxing very soon as well. This is the international case or worldwide case, whatever you want to call it. We already did the US case. Usually, sometimes there's a difference between the cases, sometimes there isn't. But I appreciate that A&J sends both, because we can just kind of compare and contrast. So you can go back and see what the US J case had the last time when we filmed it a couple of days ago. All right, let's open this thing up. Let's see what cool stuff is inside. And I can already see that it's kind of an interesting assortment, right? Because I am seeing two of these. Anyway, let's just go right to it. This is already a different assortment. I got a cracked card here, but let's use the sunlight. Got the high beam. I've got the twin mill Gen E, and I have the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. I don't need to really focus on these models. We've already done the showcase, the highlights, and so we'll just walk through these unless we can find something interesting, which this is fairly interesting because those are two. No, this is not. Yeah, that's two. All right, let's look and see what this case says. It says JLY, right? This is a J case. And I'm already knocking things over, which is something I do. And when you're doing a live feed, you're trying to make sense because this treasure hunt was from the previous case, was it not? And there's two of them in here. So I can't remember what the other treasure hunt is. We'll walk through it, but I see other J case models, but this was the case previous. And it just looks like we've got some strange assortments here. So this is going to be an odd one. I can already tell this is going to be an odd one, but those are two of the Camaro treasure hunts. No idea why it's in this case, but we got two of them. Sky Dome from the Not Anymore 2020 Olympics. Skate Grom from the Not Anymore 2020 Olympics, and the 2018 Ford Mustang GT. I wonder if the neighbors are wondering what is going on, why I'm talking to myself out here. BMW Z4 Motorsports, which is new to this case. There's another one of the Mustangs, and there's the Beetle. The dog that you hear barking occasionally, she's out here too. Maybe she'll come and say hi. 57 Plymouth Fury, I think that one's pretty cool. Croc Rod and the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Skydome again, custom Ford Maverick, and the Velocita. I'm really liking this outdoor unboxing. I think I might do more of these. Cloak and Dagger. You're wondering, why are you talking to me? McLaren P1 and the Power Rocket. You've got cars to unbox, John. So this one, the Mazda RX-7, I don't think is supposed to be in this case, but you know, there's no rule that says it can't be. Pixel Shaker and the Chrysler Pacifica, same thing here. That's why I think sometimes these early assortments can be a little different. I'd be weirded out if some of the cars that I want, like the Prelude, weren't in here, but I see it's here. So there's that Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. It is not the Super, that's okay, but we know that's in there, so that's good. I'm not going to try and make sense of everything. McLaren P1, which is cool in that teal color, and the Humvee. Yeah, so here's the new castings from this case. 2020 Jeep Gladiator, really digging that one. Yeah, and see, look at that. There's the power pistons. So I now have 3 treasure hunts in this case. Mary's walking away. She's probably just shocked at the surprise. 3 treasure hunts, And I'm fine because I also have the Jeep Gladiator and this fantastic Honda Prelude, which I think is just one heck of a model. All right, let's keep going. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. That's the Tanner Fox edition. Robo Race Robocar in the 68 Chevy Nova. And then to finish off this first 36 of the case, there's your 2020 Jeep Gladiator, Honda S2000, and the GMC Cyclone. So I am going to have to actually go back. Let's see what's in the second group of cars. But I'm going to have to go back and really figure out what was in the U.S. case and what is missing, what didn't get in this case. Because it seems kind of interesting, because clearly there's some differences here, but maybe it's just some multiples. We'll see if I'm already looking. Is there another? Is that the Prelude right there? I think it is. So I think we're doing okay. It's just the assortment is very different. All right, Manga Tuner, love that one in purple. Nerve Hammer, and the Total Disposal. Let's move this over just a little bit. 68 Chevy Nova wagon gas are just, every time I see it, I dig it, and I really dig the Erikenstein rod as well, which is a mod rod companion. 68 Dodge Dart, Cloak and Dagger, and the Acura Integra GSR. Jaguar XJ220. 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss, and then another one of them Skate Groms. Another Erikenstein rod, another Dodge Dart, and there's the Hudson Hornet. I don't remember if I saw that in the last case, and I lose track if this is supposed to be in that case or not. But it seems like everything that is supposed to be in here is. There is that fantastic Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510 in the Momo Deco. There's the Total Disposal. There's the Turtle van. Mutant Ninja Turtles. All right. Nerve Hammer. Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. I dig that car in blue. And the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. My checklist says everything is here that's supposed to be here. And we're just getting the bonuses. There's the Volvo 850 Estate Recolor. Digging that one. Bone Shaker in green, and another wagon. Another Momo wagon. Not bad. If you guys remember anything that I am missing in this, let me know. Another High Beam, Custom Auto, and the BMW K1300R motorcycle. Hot Wheels Formula Solar. There's the Audi. Love, love, love the Audi Sport Quattro in red, looking really, really good. Yeah, we got 2 Jeeps and we got 2 Preludes, just like the first case. So there's the other Prelude. Happy to have that. Another Volvo, another truck. Yeah, maybe nothing's different about this one. Just a different assortment. Batplane, Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, and the Rockin' Santa sled. See that? There are a few that are not supposed to be in here, but I don't know what they're in place of. But what are you going to do, right? What are you going to do? 2 treasure hunts. What were you going to say?
You want a beer?
Yeah. Well, I'm not done yet, but I do. Let me finish this up. And then it's just so pretty, and it is Friday. I think I do. All right. There's my daughter. That is what is this? International. I like this because we get distractions too that they can see. The 2020 J-Case International with the bonus regular treasure hunts. 3 regular treasure hunts, a bunch of other stuff. The dog is not going to come over here, but if you guys like these, outdoor, I sure do because the weather's nice. Maybe I'll do a couple more of these. You can tell me if it's boring or not. I don't know. I guess it's still the same unboxing, just a different backup. You just don't get to, or background. You just don't get to see the cars. But I could hang out with the fam. Thanks, everybody. More to come, including Team Transport. Bye.